Hello. Yeah. Hi guys. Today we will be learning about map control in Pega. Yes, today I'll be sharing some knowledge on how I have used map control in Pega. So I just came across these controls and it interested me to check how it works in Pega as well. So yeah, for that I have just gone through a PDN site. So to understand in a better way how we can use this map control in Pega. So before going into Pega, I just want to tell you that suppose if we are using any of the like Google Maps or any apps related to Google, for that you need to have a Google account and you need to be created some API keys, application interfaces keys, so that you can just interface with the Google account with your application and use those apps. So to configure map in our Pega, we need to use this API keys. So before we begin with that, I will share some of my learnings, like how I have created this. So for that, we need to have a Google API key, as I already told. So for that, you need prior to that you need to have a Google account. So after that, you should enable Maps JavaScript. Remember this, okay? And geocoding APIs in your Google developer account. So for now, I have made use of only one key, that is maps JavaScript, and we have to configure this key in our DSS, which is an OOTB DSS already in our application. So we just need to put that key value into the DSS, and I think the map control will work. So map control to any layouts, like whatever layout we are going to put. So this is what the information from PDN. So I'm just going to make use of this and do the rest. So this is my Google account, and yeah, from there you have to just log into the developer site, that is, as you can see, developers.google.com, maps, documentation, JavaScript API keys. Yeah, from here I can put this link in the description box also for your information. So from there you have to just click on this, go to the credential page. From there you have to log into, you need to first create some project. So just create project from this option, and you'll be getting some IDs like this. These were my old projects, and this is my current project for Pega which I'm using. So just for your knowledge, I'm just going to show you how I have configured this project. Yeah, this project will have like some service accounts or which I am not sure how, when we are going to use this. But for now, I'm going to use this API keys. So to create this API key, you need to just come to the credential part, or you can just click on your project, whatever you have created. It will take you to this page. Then from here, you can see this create credential with a plus icon. Okay. So this create credential you have to make use, and then you have to just press into this API key. This drop down will open. You have to select this API key, and these API keys will generate. So for your knowledge, I will just show you how it gets created, as I already have all the three. So I'm just creating and I can later discard it. It will create in this way. So it will generate one API key, and automatically one more is added in my API keys list. So I'm just closing it, and the recently created, I can just delete it because I don't need it right now. Okay. So for your knowledge, I'm just showing these things. So okay, so we have to copy it as soon as you create the API keys here, and we can come to Pega's Designer Studio. So just a sample one, I have created a section with some details which I'm not going to use it right now. I'm only going to focus on this Pega map control. So this is the map control I have I have dragged and dropped from data display. This used to be advanced settings in earlier version. Now in current 8.4 version, it is map, and it is under data display. So we have some other controls as well. We will be exploring those as well in the later videos. Right now we have to drag drop this map. Okay, so this map we have to drag from here, and I have just kept this map earlier. So these are some self properties for map. You can show your current location. initial scale for lat long, that is latitude and longitude, we can customize here. And these are some visibility conditions, you are all aware of this. And some other extra settings which we need for map is, normally we need these things like enabling marker if it is required as per the project. So some address values, and yeah, we can populate the data using two different ways, that is property and data page. And these will be some properties and some error message. Suppose if you are not able to find any address, you can show the error message here itself for incorrect address. Yeah, this is all about the cell properties of map. So for now, for our sake, I have just used a normal map just to show that it's working or not. So yeah, this is about the control in the section. And one more thing, you have to search that OOTB property, that is I mean DSS, which is there in your application. We can find it by using Google API keys. When you just enter, you will be able to see this DSS. Okay, so this is OOTB, so it is not updated. As you can see here, we have to just click on this. Google DSS will open. So this is an OOTB Pega end user UI engine map Google API key Pega process command. So this dynamic system setting will act globally for the application inside, and it will make use of this during the runtime. Okay, so this is the API key which I had got from the credentials of this Google account. So yes, like I forgot to show you how I had created this particular API key. So for that, you need to see that we have different APIs in our account. So these are few of the APIs which we can see here. We have to mainly take this one, that is map JavaScript. So I have used this map JavaScript API and created. So you have to just click on this and go to that particular and enable it, API, and enable it. Once you enable, that will be running and you can create API keys on that. Okay, so this is how you have to create. So once you just do this trial and error, you will also get used to it. So it's very simple. After just placing the value, you can save it and then you can run this section. Yeah, so now I'll be launching this. So just to show you how the map looks. Yeah, this is the section and this is how the map looks. Yeah, I can show you very clearly. So yes, you can just see the map like this. This is the whole map which I had used. So this is the map which we can use. After placing those extra settings in the map control in the cell properties, maybe you can have the advanced settings for this map. So just to show the how the integration between the Google Maps and Pega happens, I just wanted to share my knowledge across. So yeah, this is all about the map configuring the map control in Pega. So yeah, this is done. Thanks for your time. Okay, take care. I'll be coming up with new concepts of Pega. Till then, take care.